Welcome to the Amherst Hobby Show. If this is your first visit with us, remember there are 4 buildings. It's almost impossible to see all 4 in one day. But what you're here for, folks, is not so much about our layout as this piece of model engineering. And this is what this bridge is, model engineering. The New Haven Society had an aisleway they wanted to run some track over to expand their railroad, but the problem was the bridge needed to be operating. So somebody said, hey, the New Haven's got these 2 Scherzer rolling lift bridges over the Housitonic River in Devon. Maybe they'll give us or loan us a set of plans. They went to the railroad, explained the situation. The railroad said, certainly, be happy to supply the plans for you. Do you need any help from our bridge and building department in building the model? If you do, let us know. Anyway, they brought the plans back. Okay, who's going to build it now? Well, you see his name right out there on the red plaque. His name is Alfred Schellbach. Al's in the Great Model Railroad in the sky right now. So he goes out, he buys sheet brass, he buys steel for the counterweights, he buys a motor, some gears, and a lot of little brass pins called escutcheon pins. He proceeds to drill approximately 70,000 individual holes. All this out here, that's not detail, folks, that's real. This is a Scherzer rolling lift bridge. As the deck comes up, it is supported by 2 gigantic rockers. And the deck will come up and actually roll to your left.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I potentially
We got a train coming in.
My final Destin Model Railroad and founder of the Model Railroad.
I heard the relays. We got a whole mechanical relay so I can actually hear them. Now the purpose is that by the deck moving to your left, it gives a bigger opening over the river.
What's the alignment problem here?
Just a tiny bit, but we have an aligning pin that makes sure that the tracks realign. Even though we constantly readjust it, it still goes out just a little bit on us. Now, this model that you're looking at was started in 1938 and completed in 1940. How much is it worth? Well, obviously $44.35, but 2 years of Al Schellbach's and his family's life. That's how much. It's priceless. There is not, to my knowledge, there is not another model in any scale of this detail that's been put together by hand, really.